happens in the United Kingdom. We are not happy about what is happening back home. And we want something to be done very urgently about it. We have made representations to the British government. We ask them to expedite whatever avenue they can in areas of cooperation and counter-terrorism to help the administration of Goodluck Jonathan to combat terrorism in Nigeria. Because if terrorism in Nigeria is not combated in a timely fashion, that would lead to the disintegration of the country. It will make what is happening in Somalia look like a tea party. So every effort must be brought to bear to arrest the difficulties being caused by Boko Haram today. The killing of people in Nigeria cannot continue. Of innocent men, women, and children cannot continue. We are here peacefully to rally, to lend support to the government if they are willing and able to do whatever it takes to make sure that the issue of Boko Haram is arrested as quickly as possible. That is why we are here, sir, and no other reason. So I would appreciate if you can say something to the Nigerians who are here.
Thank you very much. I'm a Nigerian working here in the High Commission, and on behalf of the
What's your name and your position?
I'm a staff of the Nigeria High Commission. And
what's your name, sir?
My name is Udoyen. So I pick up this letter to give it to the High Commissioner. As you are aware, we don't normally open on a weekend.
Yes.
That's why the High Commissioner is not here.